I am Dominic Boyce.
Here
I'm
Smith, and I'm Ethan Greer.
And I'm Matt Smith. Okay, that was crazy, and I'm here to interview nature. World's greatest creation. So, Mr. Bark, how has your life been so far?
Interesting.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was that too personal of a question? Okay. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Oops, sorry, sir.
Let me help you. Mr. Bark, could
You
you
suck!
speak?
Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption, Mr. Bark. How do you feel about these nincompoops? Are you too shy to answer? Okay, I'm sorry. Do you like being on a tree?
No, absolutely not.
Shut up, Ethan. But you know what? You little bitch! Really, you have to do that? Oh, I'm really sorry, sir. I'm sorry. This jerk keeps.
That means he's a junior educated rich kid.
The bad jerk.
Oh, that means
Which
he's jumping into
gassy?
butts.
No. Jerk. The bad jerk means gassy, exploding, racist, killer. So, how do you have an input on that, Mr. Bark? Do you like that? Is Matt a jerk? The bad jerk? Is he? If you don't start answering these questions, I'm going to throw you in a fire.
Mr. Bark's girlfriend.
Oh, wow. She's sure is skinny. Maybe she can answer a couple questions.
Oh, hello, my sexy girlfriend.
Shut up. Mrs. Bark, how do you feel about your husband not answering us? Oops, sorry. Do you feel any pain?
Cancel the video!
Okay, calm down. No, calm down. Are you okay, sir? Sir, you're heartbroken. I'm sorry. Now die! You know what, Mr. Bark? If your wife died, you should die!
You have to die, you little idiot!